Joshi, we are joining you live from Vijay Chowk. There's a fiery debate underway in the parliament. Remember, it's day 2 of the debate on Operation Sindoor. Today, Home Minister Amit Shah not just responded or answered the questions that were posed by the opposition, but he also asked some tough questions to the opposition, to the Congress party especially, about the terror attacks that took place during the UPA regime. Now, Operation Mahadev became officially confirmed when the Home Minister spoke about it inside the Parliament, when he told the entire country from the Parliament that the 3 terrorists who carried out the Pahalgam terror attack, killing 26 innocent individuals, have been neutralized in Operation Mahadev. And it's not an overnight development. It's not like the operation happened in one day. The Home Minister also broke down details of how the IB received an intel input a month after the attack took place in Pahalgam, how the deployment happened on ground, the communication devices that were being used by the terrorists, their signals were continuously being tracked by our forces, our soldiers on ground. And that's how the signals led them to the terrorists who were hiding in Dachi Gam. He broke down the details of what transpired after Pahalgam attack, the response of the government. He spoke about Operation Sindoor and the nitty-gritties involved in the operation. But the Home Minister also asked who will take responsibility for the terror attacks that took place in the Congress party's regime during the UPA era. Let's listen in to what the Home Minister said.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं विषय पर आने से पहले आपके माध्यम से सदन को और सदन के माध्यम से पूरे देश को ऑपरेशन महादेव जो कल एक हुआ है इसकी जानकारी देना चाहता हूं। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, कल ऑपरेशन महादेव में सुलेमान उर्फे फैजल जट, अफगान और जिब्रान 3 आतंकवादी सेना, सीआरपीएफ और जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के संयुक्त अभियान में ऑपरेशन महादेव में मारे गए। ये जो सुलेमान है, ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तोयबा का कमांडर था। पहलगाम हमले में और गगनगिर आतंकी हमले में वो लिप्त था। इसके ढेर सारे सबूत हमारी एजेंसियों के पास है। अफगान ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तैयबा का आतंकवादी था और जिब्रान भी ए ग्रेड आतंकवादी था। और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं सदन को और सदन के माध्यम से पूरे देश को बताना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने बैसरन घाटी में हमारे प्रवासियों को, नागरिकों को मारा था, ये तीनों आतंकवादी ये थे और तीनों मारे गए।
Suleiman, Afghani and Gibran, the 3 terrorists, Pakistani terrorists who carried out the Pahalgam attack, have been neutralized. Officially now confirmed by the Home Minister, what was being reported till about yesterday as per reports and as per top sources. The 3 terrorists have been neutralized in Jammu and Kashmir and Pahalgam terror attack has been avenged. My colleagues Priyank and Bhavtosh are joining us on the broadcast. Let me first go across to Priyank, who was in fact continuously getting us minute by minute update of what was transpiring in the valley in Jammu and Kashmir after Pahalgam and also during Operation Sindoor. Priyank, it has been confirmed by the Home Minister of the country from the Parliament, the announcement that the 3 terrorists who were involved in Pahalgam attack, Pakistani terrorists, have been neutralized. But what's important is that he has also answered all those questions on ऐसे कैसे हो गया. Gaurav Gogoi raised a question और खबर आ जाती है that the terrorists have been neutralized. It was not an overnight development, Priyank. The Home Minister spoke about the multiple steps followed by the agencies on the input that they received about the movement of these terrorists, the presence of these terrorists in ensuring that they do not run away, that they do not cross the border and go to Pakistan.
Yeah, good evening, Swati. I'm reporting from Ground Zero. This is the Gachidham National Forest, and you can see this is the road which leads towards the location where the encounter took place. The moment we will pan towards the left hand side, this is the Mahadev Mountain. The Mahadev Mountain, which is the most relevant issue as of now, because this was the mountain where these terrorists were hiding. What Home Minister has also said that there was a gadget which was developed by the Indian Army to have an intercept of these Chinese satellite phone, because what the terrorists thought that these intercept could never be tracked by the Indian agencies. Since the last 14 to 18 days, the intercepts were found in these mountains only. Mehraj would show you, this is the mountain peak where the terrorists were hiding, and since the last few days the intercepts were coming from this particular location. From all the corners the terrorists were spotted, and soon after they were spotted, this encounter took place around early in the morning, in the wee hours on Monday morning, which led to elimination of these terrorists. But the fact which Times Now was also highlighting, that the opposition will want proof, Pakistan will want proof. That's why the identity of the suspects were finally zeroed down after the questioning of those suspects who were earlier arrested by the National Investigation Team. And not even that, the murders of these suspects who were arrested by NIA had also given the confirmation, because these terrorists before the Pahalgam attack were hiding in this particular location with the help of these two homegrown.
सुना था जब वो